In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a free website using Notion. Hi everyone. Let's get started by creating a new page in Notion. Open your workspace and click the plus sign to add a new page from the sidebar. Give your page a clear title, something like My Website, so it's easy to find later. I recommend choosing a blank page to keep things clean and to stay in control of the layout from the start. Now, begin adding the content you want visitors to see. Think of this as a simple one-page site. Start with a strong header that introduces what the site is about. Add a short About section that explains who you are or what you offer. Follow that with services or key highlights so visitors can quickly understand the value. Include any important links, like contact, portfolio, or social profiles. And don't forget visuals. Images or icons go a long way in making the page feel polished and inviting. To make everything look organized, use Notion's blocks. Press the slash key and choose heading to create clear titles for each section. Use divider to separate sections and give your page breathing room. If you want elements side by side, choose columns to build a two-column layout. For example, text on the left and an image on the right. Add image for photos, banners, or logos to reinforce your brand. You can drag blocks to rearrange them, and you can adjust column widths by grabbing the edges. Keep paragraphs concise, use headings consistently, and place your most important information near the top for quick scanning. When your content looks good, it's time to publish. Go to the top right corner and click Share. Toggle on Share to Web. This makes your page publicly viewable without requiring a Notion account. Take a moment to check that everything you want visible is on this page and that private notes or unfinished sections aren't included. You can always come back and edit. Changes update instantly on the live site. With Share to Web on, stay in the Share menu and click Copy Link. That link is your live website URL. Open it in a new tab or an incognito window to see exactly what visitors will experience. Share the link wherever you like, on your social profiles, email signature, or portfolio. And if you want to update the site, just edit the Notion page. The URL stays the same. And that's it! You now have a fully working website built completely on Notion. Fast, simple, and free.